Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you need help in this exam and if you want to deal for this complete mylabit course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to mylabit Pearson and go to Excel Chapter 9 Simulation Exam. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access and all Microsoft Word and other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Economics, Writing, Management courses and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. So our exam will be open. Click on open Pearson. Okay, we will click on start button. So we will launch our exam. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your exam by watching this video. Question number 1 of simulation exam 9 is that starting with the summary worksheet, group the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 and summary sheets. Simply we will group this 5 sheets, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 and summary worksheet. We will select quarter 1, press control and then we will select these 5 sheets, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 and summary sheets. So these 5 sheets are grouped. With the summary worksheet displayed, fill the contents and formatting in cell A1 across all worksheets. Okay. With the summary worksheet displayed, we will display summary worksheet and we will click on cell A1 and go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill button. So click on fill across worksheet and click on all and click on this checkbox. With the summary worksheet displayed, fill the content and formatting in range A2 to A10 across all worksheet. Okay, so we will select this range. On summary worksheet displayed, we will select this range A1 to A10. So again we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill button. So we will click on across worksheet, click on all checkbox and click on OK button. So question is done. Ungroup the worksheet, right click on quarter 1 sheet and click on ungroup worksheet. Okay. So the next question is question number 2 of this exam. In question number 2, group the quarter 1 through quarter 4 worksheet. Use auto sum to simultaneously total the value of the data in the range B3 to E3. Simultaneously format the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using counting number format. First we will group the quarter 1 through quarter 4 worksheet. Click on group 1, press Ctrl and select next 3 quarter 2, 3, 4 worksheet. Use auto sum to simultaneously total the value of the data in the range B3 to E11. We will select this range B3 to E11. Okay, so we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum button. Okay, simultaneously format the range B3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the counting number format. We will select this range and we will apply counting number format. First range is B3 to E3. Go to the home tab. So we press Ctrl and select second range is B11 to E11. Go to the home tab. In the number group, apply counting number format. type monthly sales in cell A11. We will click on cell A11. In the formula bar, we will type monthly sales. Okay. Apply bold in cell A11. Select cell A11 and we will apply bold. Go to the home tab. In the font group, click on bold button. Apply the top and double bottom border to the range B11 to E11. Simply we will select this range B11 to E11. So we will go to the home tab in the font group, click on border button. We will apply top and double bottom. Here is top and double bottom. Ungroup the worksheet, click on quarter 1 worksheet, right click on quarter 1 worksheet and click on ungroup sheets. So this question is done. So the next question is question number 3 of this exam. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11 in the quarter 1 worksheet. Include the screen tip 1 first quarter. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell B2. Click on cell B2, right click on cell B2, click on links button. So place in this document, tab the cell references E2 to E11. E2 to E11. So click on quarter 1 and click on screen tip text. Screen tip text is first quarter. Okay, first quarter is screen tip text. Click on OK button. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell C2 to the range E2 to E11 in the quarter 2 worksheet. Include the screen tip second quarter. Okay, click on cell C2, right click on this cell C2 and click on links button. Okay, place in this document and type of cell references E2 to E11. Text to screen tip text, we will select quarter 2 cell references and go to this text to display or screen tip text button and then screen tip text is second quarter. Okay, click on OK button. So next point is with the summary worksheet is active, insert a hyperlink in cell D2 to the range E2 to E11 in the quarter 3 worksheet. Include the screen tip third quarter. We will click on cell D2, click on cell D2, right click on cell D2, click on link button. So place in this document, text to display, tab the cell reference is given in the question E2 to E11. E2 to E11. So select quarter 3 in the cell references and text to display. Screen tip text is third quarter. Third quarter. So we will click on OK button. This is done. So the next point is when the summary worksheet is active, insert a hyperlink in cell E2 to the range E2 to E11 in the quarter 4 worksheet. Include the screen tip fourth quarter. Simply we will active our summary worksheet. Click on cell E2, right click on cell E2, click on link button. So place in this document and we will tab the cell references E2 to E11. So cell reference is selected quarter 4 and screen tip text is fourth quarter. Fourth quarter and click on OK button. So click the hyperlink in cell B2. Okay, question is completed now. So the next question is here. Please focus on my laptop screen. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, capstone assessment and final exam with A+ grade. So the question number 4, select the summary, year and notes worksheet. Hide the selected worksheet. Select summary, year and notes worksheet. Select summary and press Ctrl and then select second and third worksheet, year and notes. So right click on this and click on hide button. This sheets will be hidden from the worksheet. With the quarter 4 sheet active, unhide the summary and year worksheet. Okay, we will select quarter 4 and we will click on unhide button. Okay, so we will select summary and year worksheet. Click on OK button. Okay, this is good. So next question is question number 5. Open 3 new window within the workbook so that all 4 windows display the summary worksheet. Go to the view tab and we will click on new window in the window group. Again go to the view tab. In the window group we will open again new window. So we will go to the view tab in the window group and we will click on new window. Then our 3 window will be open. Our 3 new window will be open. Arrange the window of the active workbook so that they are tiled on the screen. Go to the view tab. In the window group click on arrange all button. So window of active workbook checkbox, we will click on this checkbox and click on OK button. Question is completed now. Question number 6. In cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative references to the cell E3 on the quarter 1 worksheet. Use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B10. Okay, in cell B3 on the summary worksheet, click on cell B3, press is equal to and insert a relative references to cell E3 on the quarter 1 worksheet. Press is equal to and go to quarter 1 worksheet and click on cell E3 and press enter. So fill handle to copy the formula through the range cell B10. Okay, this question is completed. So question number 7. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula to sum the value of cell E3 across quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 sheets. We will click on cell F3, press is equal to and is equal to sum function into quarter 1, quarter 2, okay, and quarter 3 sheets, okay. Cell E3. We will click on cell E3 for all worksheet. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So go to quarter 3, click on cell E3. Go to quarter 4 worksheet and click on cell E3. So we will press enter. Question is done. Copy the function in the cell F3 to the range F4 to F10. Okay, this is good. So the next point, copy the function to the range F3 to the range F4 to F10. I have done this point also. F3 to F10. Okay, question is completed now. Okay, you can see I have done 9 questions out of 19. It's mean I have done 50 to 60% of the simulation exam in my video. If you need help in this exam or if you want to deal for this complete mylabit Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete mylabit course. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access, all simulation training, cumulative assessment, simulation exam and capstone assessment and final exam with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Management, MyLab Java, C++, Calculus, Calculus 2, Calculus 1, Math courses, Economics, Macroeconomics, each and everything. If you need help in any course, you can contact me and I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.